Before I explain the motion feedback circuit, let me explain the wiring because we were required to make our own wiring in this case. So let's talk about the components individually and then how they're wired. So this IMU unit is wired, has two wires going directly into the Pico. Is the blue wire to SDA and the yellow wire to SCL. The NeoPixel has one green wire going directly into the Pico, and it goes into the GP20 port. Now, the red and black wires. This is a bit different. An extra jumper wire was added, one red, one black, to connect from the breadboard to 3.3 volts and ground respectively on the Pico. Meanwhile, our components here were wired in parallel with each other. So let's follow. We have the 3.3 volts coming out from here, going into there. Then the red wire going into the NeoPixel, and the red wire going into the IMU. And then it's each of their ground wires, the black wires, going back out here for the NeoPixel, out here for the IMU, and then back to the jumper wire into the Pico. So now let's demonstrate the use of this circuit. So let's see first the tilt mechanism. So that's the white lights on the NeoPixel strip, and we notice that if we tilt it this way, they kind of go to the right, roughly in the middle. The two middle white lights light up, and this way the white light goes kind of to the left. Meanwhile, the red, green, and blue means are we pointing in the direction of magnetic north. So right now we're red. That doesn't mean we're quite there. Green, I turned it a little bit to the left, and now we're pointing roughly within to magnetic north. If I go too far, it turns blue. Like so. And there we have it, the demonstration of the circuit.